हेलो एंड वेलकम टू पाइनियर्स थिंकिंग कॉर्नर। मेरा नाम है अनीश जॉर्ज और मैं हूँ ब्रांड स्ट्रेटजिस्ट पाइनियर्ड का। एंड विद मी हियर इज जयश्री भारद्वाज, हु इज वन ऑफ द फाउंडर्स ऑफ pioneer.com.
So, first question is which we're going to discuss. Can you quickly introduce yourself and what you are working on right now?
So I am a corporate mazdoor. I work Monday to Saturday, 10 hours a day. Baki, apart from that, I help her to run her brand, that is pioneer.com, which is
Yeah.
one of the best scented candle brands to exist in India. So yeah, that's it.
You want to tell them where are we based off?
We are based out of Gurugram,
Yeah.
Haryana,
So
but I am not
currently
from Haryana. I'm from Kerala. So
he
Kerala ka
has a long
Jat.
history. He has a long history.
Yes.
I am from Haryana only and my roots are from Haryana. And yeah, we are building a brand and what I manage is design, then brand strategy, social media also. Anish look confused.
ये मेरे डिपार्टमेंट है, बट शी लाइक्स टू कॉल इट हर ओन. सो या शी इज अ फाउंडर, शी कैन. बट एक और हमारी है
और है
फ्रेंड,
हमारे
बट वो कैमरा शाय है, so he won't be here in the
पार्टनर इन
podcast. Maybe
क्राइम.
later in any of the episodes you will see him in front of the camera, but until then it's two of us talking shit, ranting out, like
Yeah, but
yapping probably.
what you will think ki what is the purpose of this and why we are starting with this. So you want to say why,
So,
Anish?
like, I've seen many of the young entrepreneurs starting out, they are very confused, like how to get things started. They have an idea, probably, like in their minds, they might have written it down somewhere in the back of their notebook, somewhere in the diary, but it's just like in the imaginary space right now. So, we want to help them to get their ideas into existence and help them in any way possible through our valuable information or the hurdles that we have faced. We
Yeah.
like to help them out कि भाई आप लोग उस चीज को फेस ना करो, can skip those so that you can make a business move faster and you can probably scale.
Yeah, or build something of their own.
Yeah.
And this, I think, it will be a documentation of our journey because we are still in work in progress. We're not an established brand, but we're working towards it. So abhi we're going to share our struggles, what we deal with, what are the hurdles we face every day because we do 9 to 5, and along with that we build this brand which is called Pineyard. We have made a website for it.
Like we have built fairly well. Zero से start करना is very very much hard. Like
Yeah.
even if you have capital, you should know what you're doing. अगर like आपके पास बहुत सारा पैसा भी and you don't know what you're doing, तो वो तो पैसे में आग लगाने वाली बात है. So अभी हम भी बहुत सारे पैसों में आग लगा चुके हैं, जबकि हम Monday to Saturday.
Yeah. Yeah. So the next question we're going to start with is, if you had to describe where we are in our journey right now, how would you put it?
So basically, I would put it fairly at the start because abhi just it's been 4 months in, and there are many more months to come where we'll build it like more in a more better way. And also, like I've built many businesses before, but that were like not so great. And I've tried many other things also in life, so I have learnings from there which I want to implement it here, uh, which will help us eventually make her brand.
And cut to my story, this is, I think, my first brand. Before that, I've tried digital products and making agency of some sort for designing. But then having a real life product, this is my first time. And I've been lucky to meet this guy, Anish ji. From his experience, I think I have been blessed to omit lot of mistakes, and yeah, it's been going great. It's been, I think, 5 months as of now. We have started our brand, launched a lot of product lines, and we are going great, pushing ourselves every day.
So to get it started is the most difficult thing that a founder has to face,
Yeah,
because there is a lot of bureaucracy that you have to go through, lot of paperwork and lot of documentation that will eat you out.
या और ये कोई नहीं बताता, like there's no one to tell you when you have
Yeah.
to build a brand, you have to register. I still don't know actually, if I'm being frank and real here, uh, how to like get your company nominated, what do you call it,
Registered.
registered. I'm sorry guys.
Yeah.
I am just see
Nominated into IFA Awards. Pan Masala, whatever the fuck that is.
guys, it just I build how the brand looks. My work is around that. I'm getting into his part also, ki what the bureaucracy of it, the finance of it. I'm also trying to learn this from these two people I have in my company. But there's, that's what I was saying. Ki there's lot of things in a brand, in a business, which one has to take care of. And I am also learning with these guys, from these guys as we go. And I want to discuss problems related to these topics, bureaucracy problems, when someone wants to start their brand, what should they do? And like in later videos maybe we can break down the process or steps to start a company, something like that, or any issue you guys want to share with us, and you want to you want to talk about, we can discuss that in a video. So the next question we're going to discuss is, what's been the hardest part for you so far?
The hardest part for me in this business is like to get you guys going, because ये इनका first time है business में, so they are not so sure about कि whether it will work or not. But I have seen people, if they put in the work, put in the efforts, they go like, they scale better, they have good businesses built, like which will help them escape, like they'll have their freedom. People say कि भाई business में freedom नहीं है, but at one point when you automate things, you get freedom. But ये इन दोनों को समझाना है कि भाई business के starting years में you have to put in 24x times the efforts, क्योंकि business owners work 24/7. There is no Sundays, there is no weekdays, there is no off, like no festives. You have to put in the work, but sometimes it takes a toll on their minds, which I understand because it's their first time. And but यही है कि इन लोगों को कंट्रोल में रखना is much more difficult than any other part of the business, because operationals and operations finances you will get it done, but the mindset here that कि भाई कंटिन्यू करना है छोटे मोटे हर्डल्स में भी, if they are like they are feeling down in some way or they want to quit, so you have to like gather them together and say कि भाई हो जाएगा, we have to keep working. So yeah, that's the most hardest part for me to, like, in this business.
Yeah, I agree with him. And what I see, this business is like a kid. Like this is my first time with business, and initial phase तो यही मान लो कि it's like a baby. You have to keep feeding him with no returns. You're not gonna get anything out of it. You have to just keep feeding your money, your love, your efforts, sweat, blood, everything into that baby of yours, and it's gonna grow after a point. And we have not reached that point as of now. We are being real here. We are going to share our journey with you as we build this baby, right? And it takes a lot of sacrifices in different forms to have a business, to get it going, be it financial, physical, lot of things. And yeah, a real founder who is trying there out of you guys can understand what I'm saying. And yeah, it's been difficult. What was the question though?
Like, what was the hardest part for you in this business?
But being hopeful, staying hopeful and being positive, even if there's no sale in a day and in a row. It was difficult. We have seen some down days
Like, there were days where there were no sale for like 10 days,
straight
while we were spending around 1500 to 2000 per day on ads.
for a new brand, because I had no
Yeah,
idea.
but the customers in India, they don't trust the new brand, like
Yeah,
which brands are pretty fairly new. They don't trust them easily. And also, we had like several options available on our website, like prepaid and cash on delivery as well. But still, the customers, like, they have something in mind कि भाई ये तो नया brand है, scam ना हो जाए.
which is fair enough, I think.
Fair, but like it
they should give a chance to new
New
brands.
brands as well. Like
Yeah,
our website is professionally made. Like कोई ऐसे scammy pictures उसमें नहीं है कि
I
जैसे
only
देखे like
designed that website. I'm UI UX designer,
yeah.
come graphic designer,
So yeah, वो
all
देखने से ही
designers.
पता चल जाता है कि कौन सी website scam है नहीं. But like
True.
still, the people here have a
Yeah.
lot of ifs and buts in their mind, which makes it difficult for an e-commerce seller to get through.
Okay, so the next question is describe your journey in one word so far.
It would be a roller coaster.
Describe why.
If I would describe why. So roller coaster in the sense कि भाई पिछले 10 साल से I've tried so much, I've put in so much efforts, इतना chaos, I could have enjoyed, but I also did, but भाई ups and downs इतने ज़्यादा like being an entrepreneur took away a lot of things from me, and it gave a lot of things to me. So yeah, it's up and downs. भाई ऐसी जर्नी रही है. So yeah, that's it.
For me, it is pure chaos. Chaos. Because I have been confused. I have been second guessing myself, doubting myself a lot of times.
Yeah, I've seen when you were like you're broken down, crying, कि if this is for you, meant for you or not,
Yeah, questioning
and
myself.
you're on the verge of quitting. कि भाई नहीं होगा.
Yeah, I still remember making those labels of first collection. It was very difficult because it was first time making something for print for me, and वो बहुत difficult था. And it was not only getting approved and going into print, तो वो part था.
मेरे
And
approval के बिना
yeah,
कुछ आगे नहीं जाता.
sir approve नहीं कर रहे थे. And after that, I think we picked up the speed. Then we just kept making, iterating, releasing products every time, testing, testing, testing. So we have released a lot of collections.
So if you're wondering what we do, this is what we make.
Pretty baby.
Like
This is our lotus candle.
this is for Diwali, and many corporates have ordered it from us, and I hope we are shipping it soon, and I hope they like it and they recommend us
Yeah,
to
it's live right
many
now
other
on the website.
businesses and must chale. Hopefully
You
they
can
like
shop it on pioneer.com.
Pumpkin
It's available.
pumpkin spice, guys.
It's scented. It's available in scent and non-scent.
Like,
You
I
can
have another
order
one
it on
also.
website.
ये prototypes हैं, but like ये मेरे पास पड़े थे.
Yeah.
So I'm showing it to you
Soon
guys.
we're
what
gonna
we
have
make.
shoot also. I love these. These are so pretty. These are my favorite as of now.
Oh,
Diwali.
Ilang. We have some good scents, guys. If you want to try, shop now, pioneer.com.
Yeah.
Lotus Urli candles, golden one. It will look amazing at your home, office space, or any other party or decorative space that you like. Yeah. With that being said,
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed this a small talk. Think Room with Pioneer. What was the name?
Yeah.
Thinking Room with Pioneer. And ऐसी amazing videos के लिए channel को subscribe कर देना. And we'll see you in the next one.